I recently came back from a cross country and back trip with over 1,800 videos all on my phone. They're taking up a lot of space and I need them off. So I moved them to an external drive. You can see them here. There are tons and tons and tons and tons on my phone. So I moved them to an external drive, which yay! But then I ended up with this monstrosity of a list. A list, 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 list. And I was like, oh crap. So I figured out I could sort them by date created, and that was good. But I still have this massive amount of photos and I need to put them in folders. And I was dreading dragging them back and forth and back and forth. And okay, but then you probably know this, by accident, I thought I would go for these. Nope, go over here and go by date. So I was selecting them by date and go up to here, and those are all the same date. All right, so I want to move them to a new folder. I was previously creating a new folder, then trying to drag and drop them in there. Little did I know that if you simply right click, oopsie, come on. All right, try that again. So I've got them right clicked, all right, and I press and hold. Got them right clicked, press and hold, and there's a new thing that there, it's not new, but it showed up. I just hadn't seen it before. It says new folder with selection, 58 items. I just choose that. All right. And it put them in a new folder with 58 items. And I can then say, okay, this is day 3, 9/14 road trip. Yeah. Okay. And so then I have it by date and I know where they all are. So when I click on that, there's day 2, there's day 3. All right. Let's see if it really works. Again, try it one more time. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. I know there's a quicker way to do this, but down to the bottom. Up here again. Hold, select all. New folder with selection of 37 items. Boom. There it goes. New folders, 37 items. Day 4, 9/15, Glacier National Park. That's where I was. So that's just compared to doing a scrolling of this on and on and on and on and on to having this with folders that I can find them and pick and choose. I'm thrilled. Yay. All right, you probably knew all that, and that's fine. But for me, it was something new that I discovered that's an easy thing. So I thought I'd just share it. If you like this, if you needed to hear it, yay. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, that's okay. It wasn't for you. But if this helped in any way, or you have any other tips for me, put them in the comments below because I am open to all kinds of tips. Gangsta Grandma always needs to learn new things.